Imagine a beautiful lake surrounded by mountains with a castle on the top. Very cozy villages all around. Imagine an island in the middle of the lake with a charming church. Does it sound like a fairy tale? Well, welcome to Bled, Slovenia. Guys, we're in Ljubljana, the capital of Slovenia, and we're on our way to the Lake Bled.
Yes, it's a place that looks like it's taken from a fairy tale, and stick with us because it's gonna be beautiful and we promise it's gonna be interesting.
And I'm excited, I've never been there. From Ljubljana to Bled is just 54 kilometers and the ride is amazing. Guys, we arrived. I can actually see the lake from here, but first we have to go to our Airbnb to leave all the stuff that we have, and then we're gonna come for a walk in the lake.
We just came to Airbnb and it's amazing. Take a look at this.
We even have an hamaca, look at this. Our Airbnb host here recommended us this neighbor. It's actually walking distance where the place we're staying. And she said she's so nice. Her name is Monika. And she has this big house where the mother is collecting antiques from every... She has like 3 different museums in the house. And she's like preparing food for us. And she's actually making her own beer, her own Rakija. Rakija is actually an alcohol, it's very good. So you know what? Let's experience all of this. The house is beautiful and really big. It has even 2 big barns that now works like museums with all Monika's mother's collections that have from antiques, some traditional Slovenian items, and even tools used by farmers back in the day. It's really interesting. Monika and her mom Simona invited us to their house, which is a traditional Slovenian house from that region, and it's 240 years old. We had a plate with cold cuts, all homemade by local farmers. Did I mention that they produce their own beers? They have 3 kinds of beer here. And they serve it like this, look at this. Actually the top is porcelain, so it's like super fancy, no? Let's try this one. Really good. This is the light one. They have a red one and they have a dark one also. You have to try them all, of course, but this is really good.
After eating, maybe.
Yeah. We're really happy that we met Simona and Monika, and if you come to Bled, you have to visit them. They're gonna make your day. So what we're doing now is walking around the lake. It's like 6 kilometers if you go all around, but it's so worth it. Every space you turn is for a picture. Every place, everything is for a picture. We're getting crazy. I think it's gonna take us maybe like 10 hours to do the 6 kilometers around. It's amazing that the water of the lake is actually so clear, you can actually see the bottom. It's so nice. Says the legend that there was this beautiful church created for the Virgin Mary, but the villagers didn't pay too much attention in the church. They didn't take care of the church, and animals were going in the church and things like that. So God got upset, took the church and put it in the middle of the lake to avoid the contact between the church and the villagers because he was upset. That is a nice story about this beautiful island and the church in the middle of it.
Here they have a typical dessert that is local from here, and it's called kremšnita. So we ask locals where is the best place, where would they eat, and they recommended this place.
It looks so good. And chocolate, hot chocolate with this weather. It's hot here. Look at this. This is called kremšnita, typical from Bled. And look at this. From here, all of this is cream. Oh my god, it looks delicious. And the top is called short crust, I think, right? Short crust. And all of this is cream. So good. I'm gonna dig into it. We just finished the kremšnita, and Senia finished, like, I don't know what was the name of your dessert.
But it was good. I don't know.
It was a lot. It was a lot. There is a problem with the kremšnita. It's addictive. I finished one and I wanted the second one, and I know after the second one maybe we would want a third one. It's addictive, so be careful with the kremšnita. So we decided to go for a walk around the town. So let's go for a walk, no? Bled is not just walking around the lake, it's also walking around the town. You will find amazing places like this Gothic architecture church with more than 100 years of age. This little house over here is for bees. I was looking at them all over Bled, and Senia explained me that this is actually very typical from this region. So you have bees, houses with bees. Now they have these divisions with colors. It's like a hotel for them. These divisions make their houses, the colors, and they have drawings also that represent something. Some local from here told us that actually the bees know, they know where to go, which is the color that belongs to them, like their house. And this is super cool. I don't know if it's true, but this is super cool. Now we were very close, but some bees started to attack us, telling us like, hey, let's go away, because this is their territory. So we actually risk our lives to show you this little house. Up on the hill, you will find the Bled Castle, really nice and with a very good view of the lake from the top.
Even more interesting than the castle is the view from the castle, and I think that the video or the photo can tell you 1,000 words, so my words are not necessary.
This is a medieval castle that was built before 1011.
We are going to do a short hike now because we want to go to the other side of the lake and have the view from the top. So let's go.
Let's go. But look. Look at the little ducks. So cute. And the mother is over there. Oh my God. It's like wearing Narnia or something. Look at the view, it's getting much better, but still we have a little bit more to go. Still more, huh? Look at this, what is this? Those are not stairs, no?
They are, but they could...
This is like a ladder, it's huge and it's so... This is like almost 90 degrees. Okay guys, we arrived and Senia is already resting then in this beautiful chair with look at the view, look at the view. What such a good way to finish this video.